Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your account on Rocket League. So let's get started right away. In order to recover and reset your account, you will need to reset your Epic Games Launcher account. So open up the Epic Games Launcher app on your device first, and then you will be asked to log in. Now if you already have a previous saved game, then in order to reset the progress for this saved game, you will simply need to log out from this account and then either sign in using a different account or create a new one. In order to proceed with creating a new account, you can either use a new email address or you can also use one of the various different methods that are shown underneath. You have the option to use your Facebook, your Google, as well as your Apple, Steam, PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and Lego accounts. Proceed forward with your login or signing up to create a new account. Once you click on continue to proceed forward, from your browser page, you can click on the continue button to connect your account. Now enter your date of birth and continue forward, and you can set up your display name for your new account. After setting up your name and continuing forward, you will be asked to check your inbox for a verification code. So open up your inbox and then copy this code, and then you can paste it in the verification box and click on the verify email button. And now you will be logged in or signed up to another account on Epic Games. After signing up through a different account, you can proceed with launching the Rocket League game, and you will be able to set up a new profile and start the game all the way from the beginning. And there you have it. That is how you can reset your account progress on Rocket League. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.